Hey guys, welcome. It's Fun Fact Friday. Hello, Jesse, Eldon. Hey guys, it's me, Mika, Reese. How you doing? Good to see you on this Friday. Jesse, how are you? Hopefully you guys enjoyed your week and you had a successful week. Hopefully you guys accomplished one thing this week that you challenged yourself on this week. So I'm hoping that has occurred. So let's jump right in. I'm a little bit late on today. I had tons of calls that I was taking and fielding in regards to some deals that we're working on here in the office. So with that being said here, let me close this door so we don't have any interruptions. With that being said, what I wanted to talk to you guys about today, I know on Tuesday, on our 2-Minute Tuesday, I didn't get a chance to make myself clear because I was driving. Well, my wife was driving and we had a little bit of disruption in our internet connection, but I want to touch back on that. We'll talk again about marketing, but I want to talk first about this one clause in your contract. If you received or downloaded the free contract that I have on our website, this one clause can definitely save you and expedite your closing process. So before we jump into that, I just want to let you guys know that you have to control your deal, okay? Not your buyer, not the seller, not the title agent, not the attorney, not a real estate agent. You have to control your deal. It is definitely up to you to make sure you facilitate everything, make sure everybody is on point. How you doing, Stefan? Let's see who else we have here. Unique. Hey guys, thank you for joining. So what I was talking about is you have to control your deal. It's your deal. So if the ball gets dropped anywhere, you have no one else to feel sorry for but yourself because you didn't control your deal. So this one clause I want to tell you in this purchase contract can help expedite your closing. So one thing that we always talk about is the inspection period. One thing that we always talk about is making sure you have the correct seller on the contract and things like that. But this one clause, and I want to give it to you right now, this is your Fun Fact Friday for today. What's today? June 19th is, hold your breath, it is on or before. So remember that, on or before. So the closing date shall be June 19th, 2020, on or before. So let me give you a rundown. Okay, closing shall be set up at Fidelity Title, and the closing shall occur on or before June 19th. The reason why you want to have that on or before in there is because sometimes the title work gets done, expeditiously. It gets done quicker, so instead of closing on that exact date, June 19th, you can close before that date. So, and why is this helpful? Why is this beneficial for you? It's because a lot of times your buyers, they want to get in there. Once they decided that this is their deal, they want to be able to expedite the closing, get in there and get started, especially when you're in areas that have winter months coming up. Let's just say, for example, if the seller or the buyer put the property under contract in August, they don't want to wait until September to close because then they have rehab going on in October, November, and then trying to put the property on the market in December. They want to try and expedite things quickly. So every few days, few weeks definitely helps them. So remember, on or before. closing shall occur on or before June 19th. So keep that in mind. And then you also let your title agent know, you let your attorney know that hurry up, get the paperwork done, get everything done so we can close early, so you can help your seller out early, so you can get paid early, and so your buyer can get into and start rehabbing the property early. So remember, on or before, guys. This is your Fun Fact Friday. It's Marcus Maloney signing off. Thank you for being here. And remember, if you need resources, anything like that, go to marcusemaloney.com. That's marcusemaloney.com. And you guys know it. Always remember to enjoy the journey.